Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we can do about factorization by s. This one that is about identities in here. S squared minus 1 squared we can change into s minus 1, s plus 1. Now we can use about partial fractions. So I will put a over s, b over s minus 1, c over s plus 1. And now we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about s minus 1, s plus 1. So capital 8 multiplied by s minus 1, s plus 1. About this one, it is missing about s and s plus 1. So capital B multiplied by s and s plus 1. About this one, it is missing about s and s minus 1. So C multiplied by s and s minus 1. Now we need to expand next. We need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s squared, so we have a multiplied by s squared, b with s squared, c with s squared, so a plus b plus c. About s, we have b with positive s and c with negative s, so we have negative c. About the numbers, we have a with negative number 1. Now we need to compare coefficient. This one that is about number 1. So a plus b plus c equals to number 1. This one that is about number 1. So b minus c equals to number 1. And the last one equals to number 2. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C. So 8 equals to negative number 2, B equals to number 2, C equals to number 1. So we put A, B, C go in here. So this one we have negative number 2, positive number 2, and number 1. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.